Okay, this next video is going to show you how you can filter results when you do a search in Destiny Discover. So let's say, for example, I like romance, and so I just want to search for anything that has to do with romance. So it's going to open this new window, and it's going to give me both, again, books and ebooks. And so let's start with our books. And notice, there's stuff on, Prince William and Kate. There's some fiction books. There's some other things like fashion, like, romance in terms of fashion. So a couple of things that you can do with this. You might want to just do a sort and sort by the call number and look at, these are all the nonfiction things first. But what I want to do is filter. So you can filter by whether the book is available, the author, the subject, the genre, format, lexile, interest level. So if you want to make sure you have something that's, high school level as opposed to elementary, the reading level, series, when it was published, number of pages, or even the language. So since I maybe want a fiction book, I'm going to filter this by genre. So I'll click on that. And then you can click, I want something definitely labeled romance, so I'm going to click alphabetically on PQRS, and then I want romance fiction, and that will narrow it down. So now I can narrow it down to 49 choices. And then if I want, see, this one's checked out, so then I might also filter by availability and just the ones that are in, so that takes away several others. So these are the books in the library that are currently available to be checked out based on a filter. Okay, and that's the quick and easy way how to filter a search that you use in FilteringDestiny.